Oh my goodness, look at that. It looks like a metallic look. Or if you don't have the chromes, you can use a foil, any like a shiny foil that you have. You can also do that too. You can see the metallic look on the top of chromes. Thank you, Foxy. Okay, now we're going to welcome hugs. These two colors come together is so cool though. Okay, there you go. Looks so cool. I'm gonna do two of them. Let's make it brown. Okay. So I don't need these two colors, and now is this really cool things. How is about amazing about this fusioning collection that it really vibrant and the color is so pigmented, but it's so easy to blend and to create a lot of different marble look and veins under any colors. You literally see me do it all the time, but we still have so many people request for this. So I'm gonna basically get most of my crystal clears off. I literally don't use any much of it. Wipe it off on my paper towel right here. I'm gonna put it right here so it's easy to see from the camera. And literally wipe it off first. Wipe that again before I dip it back in. I really like that. Again, wipe it off. Yep, if you're happy with the veins, you can just stop it here, and then we're gonna use some jet black, and looks cool. Look at that, two different look. One I'm using with Burning Heart. Can I get the colors of Burning Hearts? And one I'm getting with Welcome Hugs. But both of them I'm using with the green as well. So one I'm using is, the first one I'm using a Burning Heart and Thinking Green. No, I'm sorry. Yes, Burning Heart and Welcome Hugs. That's the two colors. And the second ones I use Thinking Green and Welcome Hugs. So it's give you a different effects though. It's really cool and stunning. So you don't have to key anything at all. We just need to go, and if you want to do it more like dip dimensionals, we're gonna using a twin tip brush, jet black, just in case you, I'm gonna put it right here just in case you wonder what it is. And another gel painting is shimmer silver. I like that because it's silver on the top of silver. It really looks stunning. Okay, using this. Don't have to be perfect at all. Just like soft touch. As the veins is naturally. So pigmented, everyone. So like you see, I just get on one dip on, and then it's just already really great. I will flash key it for 30 seconds. All right. Seconds. In the meantime, I will clean my brush. And I have my palettes right here, which is I have my no wipe top coat. I'm gonna clean my brush to sort it. So then it's release all that black gel painting. It doesn't stain at all, which is awesome. Wipe it off. My brush is clean. So now I can using my shimmer silver to add it on. Just a little touch is go a long way. I don't know how long it's gonna take you to go to this part of gel painting, but it's gonna probably ever. It's gonna be great. So just like you just need to make sure you like close the lids, the caps on, so then it won't like cure yours. Great. I think it's good. I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. Phone cure. In the meantime, I'm gonna wipe out my brush and get ready for my B team. Clean my brush again. So then it's gonna be nice and clean. I have to clean cap on. Again, shimmer silver. And this. Connie, tonight it is 6:30 in the morning here. Are you in Australia? What are you in time zone though, Connie? Australia, or are you in Europe, or oh, thank you, Sarah. Okay, my paper needs to be going away so you already can see it. Good. Oh, nice. Okay. Now let's go in the B teams. She's cute, isn't it? It's like we should put some like so. Oh, from Australia.
No, Austria.
Austria. Okay, Connie. Awesome. All right. She's so cute. You can do this one. You can do this one. Which one would your lady would like? I've been using a lot of them. I'm using like these cute bees right there. Sunflowers. Maybe we should do ladybugs. We all is okay. Let's do some. Should we do ladybugs or B team? I don't know. I'm using other colors. Maybe that colors. It's super easy to have this on. It's the newest like sticker. It looks so nice. Dimensionals, the way. Look at that. I'm doing, if you want to do stickers, fonts, you're going to do it first before you start doing crystal placement. I am going to using, what is that? Is it a little bead? Okay, I don't want it. I'm not using my little ladybugs. She's too big. This one. Oh, it's cute. She's so cute. It's no bees, everyone. We're changing.
Pink or green?
Hmm? What should we do?
She wants some leaf.
You want some leaf?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Here, I'll give you one. How about that? Leaf there, leaf there. I was thinking this, but too big. You think?
It's good too.
But I wanted some crystal here.
Okay. So then that's it.
Let's do some leaf there. Okay. I want one more. What is she carrying though? Is that her? Ladybugs? Is that her face? Look different. Looks her face.
That's her face, yes.
I don't like that. I do.
Way too big. Just stop. You good.
Just one?
Oh my god. You're fine. Just chill.
I've never settled for less. Second. I'm gonna put her in there and I'll put crystal over her. It puts ladybugs. Okay, good, right? And then the others one, the other ladybugs, you can just imagine it. She was off on the side. She's like right here, so she's crawling back in there. Okay, so it's good. It's super cute. And look at that, two different look of that. Whew, cute. Okay, we're gonna do crystal on both of this too. So today we'll do 8 nails. There's 2.
Mm-hmm.